Today we will talk about captive product pricing. It happens when you buy a product that complements another product, or as you use it, you need spare parts for the main product, and there is no other replacement or option. Examples of captive product pricing are HP printers, or printers in general, Gillette shaving machines, or an automotive brand like Nissan. You can't buy spare parts for Toyota to put in the Nissan. That is why it is called captive product pricing, where you fall as a captive to the brand you bought and you can't use anything else. So think very well next time before buying anything you can fall a captive to it.